H&M.
I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this. Huh? Yes, I'm gonna wear this. Okay. Thank you for this too. Wait, did I show it right? Hello Ghumgham viewers, I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and thank you for all the people who like gifted me and stuff and gave me money, and I'm grateful for that. Now I'm doing the unboxing of the gifts, so I'm gonna start with these first and the best for last. So first, this gift. I don't know who's it from. Does it say?
Anmol Ayush ko bada.
Oh, okay. Let's see what you
That's
got.
from Ayush.
Is it what I think it is? Oh, it's a Squishmallow! Okay. Wow. Look at it. Look at it! Her name is Serene! Thank you!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
You love it so
thank
much?
you so much, yes!
Okay,
here. Keep it. Can I have that? Thank you. Keep it over here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let's see. I think this is from Issa. Ooh, backpack.
Oh, damn.
And what is this, a car? Oh no, this is not. Here. This is pretty. I like it. Yeah.
Who's that
This
is
is like-
from? Leheko cha kasle bhanera?
No, but this is from Stella, I think. I remember her giving it to
Oh,
me.
so ko
Wow, this is nice.
Oh, this is the one.
I remember I used to like love these kind of backpacks.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at it.
Wow, beautiful.
this.
I think I will take it.
Look at this. Test. Test.
Oh, no, I said beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, wait.
That's mine, right? This is good.
Let's see, you're taking forever. We
Okay.
don't have time.
This one's very stuffed, like this one.
Let's see, Toro.
Okay. I'm gonna open this one first.
I think that's from Joel.
Yeah, it's from Joyo.
Oh, damn.
Yes, for the birthday girl, Barbie. Live in the dream house. Okay, dear Evelyn, niece, I wish you a very beautiful, happy birthday. You are an amazing girl, an amazing person. You've got style, you've got heart, you've got confident and kind and smart. Lots of love from your Fupa and your little brother Joel, who loves you to the infinity. Be always happy and blessed as you are today. Forever. Forever my favorite person. Okay. You're everything a girl could be. I mean, a niece could be. And you are loved. Yeah, totally. Okay. Thank you. Now let's see what this is. Oh, wait, what the heck is this? Mints? Nice. I'm gonna eat all these after.
Pocky.
Oh, this is all like candy. Oh, dang. Oh, what is this?
It's a shirt for you, I think.
Pretty.
Oh, damn.
This is the shirt that I got.
I see you. Okay, damn.
Okay, now let's put all these back. Oh, wait, and what is this? I'm brave. Okay, put this. Oh, these are glow in the dark. Anyways. Yeah. Okay, so now let's open this. Oh, I got a dress. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. Thank you, whoever got this one. Thank you for this. I'm gonna put it back here.
It's very stuffed.
Oh, this is yours, right? Okay, ironic enough, I have this jacket already. I have this jacket. Yeah.
Purple one person.
Yeah, it's the same that color.
Same color, 10 to 12 size.
But thank you though.
Takis देखेर अघि उफ्रिरहेको थियो.
Can't you stop? Thank you for the talkies. Squishmallow.
This is a
छैन
lot.
हालमा.
Okay,
Take some
now
more.
there's two more.
Pillars. Mango.
Okay, guys, can you go back,
I
please?
think that's good. I think that's
Country,
almost.
I'm gonna open this first. This is one of
One
my
more
gifts. Another gift that I got.
That's the same wrapping.
Yeah. I'm not gonna look at it.
From who?
I don't know.
On more lad.
Wait, what the heck is this?
It's the perfect bed.
Damn.
I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this. I'm sorry.
त्यही लाउने अब?
Huh? Maybe.
That's almost.
No.
I will wear this.
She will wear that. She admits.
Thank you so much, Anmol. Bro.
Group hug. Group hug.
Okay.
Go for the hug.
Okay, now.
Last gift.
अब चाहिँ कसले दिएको र यो 10 gifts on your birthday, 10th birthday. Okay. लु नानीहरु छोड्दिनु त अब यहाँ.
But the last gift.
ए अझै छ?
Yeah. Oh dang! I got these nice pants. Then let's see this other gift. I think it's Christina. Team
किसिमको
player.
त सानो ब्याग थियो जस्तो लाग्यो त त्यो.
Yeah. Nice. I like this.
अघि आउने बित्तिकै you got के अरे we got dress for you भन्दै आइरहेको थियो फर्स्टमै.
Now for the final present opening.
Okay,
is
कसले
this.
दिएको यो चाहिँ भन्नु.
My beautiful, very queenie, Yas queen, slay, pop off, girl boss, haters gonna hate, mom. Oh my gosh. So this is my
You
first...
chose the best for the first.
Oh,
Wow.
okay.
Open.
No. I want to do best for last again.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one first.
Yeah, open.
Actually, move.
We're gonna do from the start.
See you in few hours. The most exciting adventure of your
Yata dekhaunu.
birthday. Okay. I'm gonna hold.
So you will get that gift in few hours. Okay, अर्को अब.
I'm gonna hold on to that one. Now I'm gonna do the eye. Got you move over. I'm gonna do the eye from Is. My own mascara.
Because you keep stealing my mascara.
Wow.
That's right. Now you
I
have
thought
it.
about to keep that one too.
Bro.
Yeah.
And you have
then we're gonna change on
10 candies for your 10th birthday.
Oh.
Oh really?
You should have 10, yeah.
2, 3, 4,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for the second gift, mommy. I'm gonna
Okay,
put this
second.
aside.
How about third?
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, भित्र राख्ने. Yeah, यसको. के
Guys,
रहेछ त्यो?
I got this Ghumgham unique nail salon. Wait, look at this.
Yeah, you can stamp the
Yeah.
pattern. Tap. Yeah.
And they have the their nail polish. Thank you for that one, mom.
यता राम्रो देखाउनु न भिडियोमा.
These are you can use them.
Yeah, those are the patterns you have, I think.
This is my Ghumgham unique.
And pattern.
Yeah.
Ghumgham unique salon.
Okay.
Any size nail, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna start with the E from Evelyn. Ooh, clothes.
H&M.
Oh, I'm gonna wear
Your
this.
favorite one, that.
I'm gonna wear this. Huh? Yes, I'm gonna wear this. Okay, thank you for this too. Wait, did I show it right? Just so you know, this is my LA shirt, not shirt, thing. Here you go.
Pant चाहिँ अलिक लामो हुन्छ होला जस्तो लाग्छ.
Yeah, but it's okay. And these are
लामो
my
हुन्छ कि ठिकै हुन्छ?
cute pants.
लामो देखेको थिएँ. Little bit लामो.
But it's okay. Kanchi. I'll open this one. No, it's okay.
नानी हात काट्छ है.
Okay. This is the V to my Evelyn. Oh, I got kimchi!
How many count?
10.
Of course. Oh! 1, 2, 3,
उसको
4.
favorite kimchi हो यो चाहिँ. I usually don't give her often. Once in a week dinchu tara now because it's your birthday gift, you can eat it as much as you can. Oh! You don't eat daily though. Tapaile promise gareko cha asti.
Yeah, I know.
Once in 3 days one.
I know. That's why you were asking me.
So keep that promise. Yes.
Don't worry.
Keep that promise.
Okay, now this is the second eat. Oh, these are shoes. Yes.
Yeah, Jordan.
Not Jordan, but like it's so good. I'm gonna try them.
Jordan भेट्दै
Air Max.
कहाँ भेटेन Jordan?
Hey! I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video.
That's from Miley Poo, by the way.
What?
Huh? That's from Miley Poo, by the way.
Thank you, Miley Poo Poo.
Last year ल्याइदिएको यत्रो ठुलो भएर नदिएर त स्टिल अझै पनि अलिकति ठुलै छ.
That's fine.
जोर्डन भनेको भने थियो जोर्डन थिएन एयर म्याक्स मात्रै बट आई प्रमिस पिङ्की प्रमिस जोर्डन हामी डिट्रोइट गएर किन्छौँ.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Maybe next week. डिट्रोइटमा मात्रै पाउँछ अरे.
Okay, but I didn't.
Okay, Jordan in Detroit.
Don't open it so much. It's right. Oh, it's already open.
Okay. Ooh, what is this? Difficult riddle. Ooh, riddles.
Okay. Ask me one riddle. Ask me one riddle from there if I can answer.
What walks all day on its head?
Huh?
What walks all day on its head? A nail in a horse. A nail in a horse? A horseshoe. A nail in a horseshoe. Okay, here. What's the... Oh, yeah, this one. I'm going to build stuff with that. This is the Y. What's this? Oh, it's a piggy bank!
That's where your 510 goes, okay?
My $510.
Yeah. And then this piggy bank is a nice one. As per the description, it says तपाईले code set गर्नु पर्छ and then nobody can take it out. Now you have to punch in the code.
Can I put like
पैसा
a...
आउँछ त्यहाँबाट. Yeah, you have to set it. Instruction पढ्नु पर्छ.
I feel bad how much money you're spending on this.
That's why I told you thousands of.
Yeah.
Thousands
It comes with the screw.
instruction.
Yeah. Now this is the last one. I mean, second last.
Second last.
Okay.
Oh, another one for Amazon.
What was the other one for Amazon?
The nail.
Okay. Got you. Got it. So what is this? Oh, it's a
Hair curler.
curling iron. For me?
Yeah.
I could curl my hair with this now?
Yeah, because you keep giving me hard time. मेरो flat ironले curl गर्नु भनेर. That is super easy.
Oh, but I don't know
because
how to
you like curly hair.
Thank you.
You just have to twist it.
Okay, last but not the least.
This one.
Okay, what do you think? Guess गर्नु.
I think
के होला?
I think it's like a big box of chocolates.
त्यस्तो heavy हुन्छ chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, now this was the last prize. I mean the last gift and like from these that my mom gave me, and it was the most expensive one, and she got me a $700 Chromebook, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Mommy. Okay, let me open it. I don't know how to set this up. Okay, so what is... Okay, so this... Ooh, this is the Chromebook. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, this is a... Dang. Oh, wait. I see you. Ooh, this is the...
That almost looks like a size of
Yeah. This is the Chromebook that I got. Oh my
Subscribe to Ghumgham! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. for notification of new videos.